Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start the new chapter that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. First, we will discuss about weather. Day with clear sunshine makes us happy when it is too hot. We are happier to see the clouds and have rain. Our harvest depends on the climate we have during the period. Why it is so important? There are daily forecasts about the weather on television, radio and in the newspapers. Let us know about weather. You might come across the situation that a sunny morning suddenly changes to a cloudy day and it starts raining heavily, or heavy rain vanishes within few minutes and gives way to bright sunshine. This is called changes in weather. The temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind and other factors are called elements of weather. The weather of a place depends on these factors. Weather is about the various changes that occurs in the atmosphere of our earth. Weather is such a complex phenomena that it can vary over very short period of time. Do you know the reason of changing weather? The reason is the sun. Sun causes all changes in the weather. Sun rays absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans and the atmosphere plays an important role in determining the weather at any place. Have a look at the weather report. You can see date, month and days are given in the first row of the table. In the second row, weather of respective days is shown. In the third row, minimum and maximum temperature of the days are shown. Elements of weather: temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, cloud and rain and wind are the main elements of weather. Discuss about these factors one by one. First element is temperature. A sunny afternoon in the summers will be very hot. On the other hand, the early morning in the winter months will be freezing cold. Both are very uncomfortable conditions. They arise due to the two extremes of the atmospheric temperatures, that are high and low temperature. Atmospheric temperature is the degree of the hotness or coldness of the atmosphere. The instrument used to measure the temperature is called thermometer. Maximum temperature and minimum temperature of the day is measured with the special thermometers called maximum thermometers and minimum thermometers. Next element is atmospheric pressure. It is the force exerted by the weight of air on the earth's surface. Cold air has more pressure than the warm air. Now, third element is humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapors or moisture in the air. How does water vapors get into the air? As we know that 70% of Earth's surface is covered with huge water bodies called oceans and smaller water bodies called lakes and rivers. Water vapors in the atmosphere is mainly due to the evaporation of water, which is a continuous process. Humidity is closely related to the temperature of the air. As the temperature increases, the evaporation in the atmosphere also increases. This causes more humidity. Humidity is measured with an instrument called hygrometer. Clouds and rain. Clouds and rain also affect the weather. Clouds are formed of tiny droplets of water suspended in the air. The clouds fall back to the ground as rain, and amount of rainfall is measured in millimeters, that is mm. Rain is measured by an apparatus called rain gauge. Wind. Wind is the movement of air. Wind blows from areas of high pressure to the areas of low pressure. This is about weather. In next video we will discuss about climate. Thank you students.